Thanks for clicking the link. I'm Spring. I'm at Car Subaru in Beaverton off Canyon Road, here to give you a virtual tour of a white 2005 Toyota Tundra Double Cab SR5 pickup truck. The stock number for this truck is S119278A. Come take a walk around with me. Check out this Warren wrench on the front here. Body's in great condition. Wide tires, running boards. Look at this canopy on the back here. This truck also has a V8, has four-wheel drive. You've got the tow hitch on the back. Let me give you a look in the back seats. Light gray fabric, lots of space back there. Take a look up front. You have CD player, controls on the steering wheel. It's super clean in here, lots of space. If you want to come and take this Tundra for a test drive or have some additional questions, please feel free to call the number above. You can also click the link to see more great inventory from Car Subaru. Thanks for watching.